Good morning, my dear children. So far we discussed about text files. Today we are going to discuss the next topic in the same chapter, data file handling. We are going to discuss about flush function in Python. How the flush function can be used for releasing the memory which is used by the text files. When we write any data to a file, Python holds everything in buffer. Buffer means a temporary memory area where we can store the data while we are processing it and pushes into actual file later. If you want to force Python to write the content of buffer onto storage, you can use flush function. Python automatically flushes the files when closing them. It will be implicitly called by the close function. But if you want to flush before closing any file, you can use flush function. What is exact use of close function? That is, after reading and writing, we need to release the temporary memory which we used for holding the file content for the execution. So that can be achieved by flush function if you want to store the data in between. Here I had given some examples of working with the file flush function. My dear children, look at the program I had wrote. The flush function. An example without flush function. How it works, we can check it out. File, I had opened a file for read and write mode. Then I write hello. Then after that, welcome to Disneyland. Then I am getting an input from the user. Then I am going to count how many times the writing happens. Go to counter. That is just a writing to the file. Then I had closed. When you run the above code, program will stop at press any key. For time being, don't press any key and go to the folder where file temp.txt is created and open it to see what is in the file. That is, in between the execution, you need to check what may be the file content. At that time, you couldn't find anything in the file. Nothing is in the file temp.txt. That is, in between you need to check. Let me give another example using flush function. In between I had given flush. So what is happening there? Hello, welcome to Disneyland will be forced or pushed into the exact file. My dear children, I repeat again. The interpreter will save the file content before writing it on a temporary memory area. That is called a buffer. After execution only the content will be exact copying happens. So what is the use of flush function? If you want to store the content in between of an execution, then you can use flush function. When you run the above code, the program will stop at press any key for the time being. Don't press any key and go to folder where file temp.txt is created and open it to see what is in the file till now. The rest of the content is written because of the close function. Contents are flushed and pushed in the file. My dear children, the close having two exact processing. The first thing, it will flush, that is, it will force or push the content into file if you are open the file for writing. After closing, it will release the buffer. So another program use the same buffer if it wants. So I think you are all clear about what is the exact function of close and a flush function. Both are similar functions. Close we need to use at the end, whereas flush function we can use in between. Thank you.